Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're having such an awesome day. I know it's been a minute and I just wanted to show you, actually this is Hair Growth Max, Treatment Max that I'm going to be doing for the next 2 to 3 months. I normally make them in bulk and I store them in my fridge. Well, sorry, my freezer. It normally lasts me. Anytime I need it, I bring it out and I'm good to go. But today the ingredients that I'm using is Greek yogurt. You could use any kind of Greek yogurt by Chobani, and it's a non-fat plain. It's a plain yogurt. I'm going to be adding this to my treatment. It has 16 grams of protein, so you know I always want to add a little bit of protein in all my treatment. And then 3 garlic cloves. Garlic is good for hair growth. Okay, it has properties in there that helps the scalp. It rejuvenates your scalp. It nourishes your scalp. So I always recommend. I always try something different. Garlic is something that I've always wanted to add to my treatments, but because of the smell, oh my god, I can't stand the smell. But I'm hoping to put banana in it to help me offset it a little bit, to make it smell a little bit better. So I'm going to be using 3 garlic cloves. I'm using the non-fat Greek yogurt. I'm using 1 whole banana. Remember, I normally store them because I have a lot left. I'm using avocado, 1 whole avocado. For moisture, I am adding organic honey. I don't know if you can see, but it's just honey. And then the Glammednaturallyoil and braid oil. I am not using the coconut oil this time around, but I'm going to be using oil from the hair oil. Okay, so before I actually had the avocado, I need to cut it up. So I'm using 1 whole avocado. But if you want to use half, like if you look at, some people like to have it fresh all the time. If you want to use half, please be my guest and do that. But I just prefer using a whole, and then I save it so I don't have to keep remaking every single month. I do them and I put it in my freezer, and it honestly stays fresh that long. So I'm gonna put 1 whole avocado. So I have the avocado in. I'm gonna add 3 spoons of yogurt. 3 whole spoons of it. And then the 3 garlic cloves. And 1 whole banana. Always make sure you blend well, because what I noticed with the banana is if you don't blend well, you're gonna have seeds in it. 2 tablespoons of honey. Just gonna scoop this out. Okay. And 2 spoons of the Glammednaturallyoil oil. So this is a hair growth treatment max that I'm going to be doing for the next 3 months. The oil is in, everything is good to go, and now I am going to be blending them together. It smells good, but with the garlic, I'm not too sure. I'm going to be adding a little bit of water. For everyone that knows me, you know I love to use alkaline water. This is the beauty water, and it has a 11 pH balance for it, so I'm going to be using it to blend it all together, but just a little bit of it just to get the ball rolling. %100% organic hair max. I see the bits of the banana, so I'm just gonna let it blend and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've blended it for another, say 5 minutes, and I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I smell the garlic, but it's not as bad. I smell the garlic and the banana, so that's awesome. So this is all good to go, and I'm gonna show you quickly how I package them. So I normally repackage them because I normally use them for 3 months. So this one right here is going to be used. again, so I freeze them so they work. I put them in little packaging like this in a Ziploc, and I freeze them and put them in my freezer. And the next time I'm ready to use it, it's good to go. Honestly, you bring it out, you thaw it overnight if you want to, and the next morning you're good to go. So you don't have to keep making, you know, the treatments every time you need them. So it's all packaged. Let me know if it's something that you do. I really love to package these things. Package them to be reused very, very soon. So I put them in the freezer and I reuse them because I do my deep treatment once every month. So this will last me for 3 months. You don't need a lot. This is not enough for my entire hair. All good to go. So I'm going to show you how I apply this on my hair, and I might do another video of it thawing in a month and reusing it, so that you can see how, you know, good it's still going to be after. So this is literally all done. I do my hair care regimen. Is very important to me. I do that once every month, and I always advise everyone that I meet, make sure if you want to see a healthier hair, just stick to a regimen and treat your hair just the same way you feed your body, feed your hair the same. Wash my hair with a conditioner, then after washing my hair a deep conditioning, yeah. So at this point I'm just gonna apply the Glammednaturallyoil on my scalp because I want to feel the tingling. Okay. So now I'm just gonna do a quick scalp massage for the oiling. Wash my hair with a conditioner, then after washing my hair a deep conditioning, yeah. So at this point I'm just gonna apply the Glammednaturallyoil on my scalp because I want to feel the tingling. Okay. So now I'm just gonna do a quick scalp massage for the oiling.